Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Sara with Learn Urdu with Sara. I hope that you're all doing fine. I'm a professional language teacher and I put videos, grammar Urdu videos every week. So today we are going to learn verbs and how to conjugate them into present simple or present habitual tense. But first we have to understand the verbs in Urdu. In Urdu, the verbs are indicated or presented in an infinitive form, which means that they are ending with na. For example, in English, they are usually preceded by to. For example, to eat, to drink, and to watch or to see. In Urdu, we say khana, peena, and dekhna. So as you can see that all these verbs are ending with na. So now let's see how to conjugate these verbs into present simple tense or present habitual tense. Present simple tense and present habitual tense, they are the same, but in Urdu we call them the present habitual tense. They are indicating the actions that are occurring frequently and are habitual. So that means that we can talk about the facts, the routines and the stuff. So this is not the action that is ongoing or the action that is occurring continuously. We have the present continuous for that, and I made a video about it and I'll put the link in the description or somewhere on the screen. So how to make the present simple tense, how to conjugate the verbs into present simple tense. Let's consider this verb khana, right? Khana. In order to drive the verbal stem, we have to remove the na from it. So the thing that is left, the part that is left is called the verbal stem. Kha is the verbal stem. Now this is very important. This is essential in Urdu, the verbal stem, because with the verbal stems we add different suffixes and we make past, present and future tense with it, imperatives and other constructions. So how do we make a present simple tense with kha? What we do is we add the suffix ti, ta and te. So it will become khati, khata and khate. The choice of suffix depends upon the number and gender of the subject in the sentence. So for example, I'm a female and I'm singular. So I'll say khati. Now how to make the sentence? Main khati hoon. If you don't know the basic sentence structure in Urdu, I made the video about it and I'll put it in the description box. So main khati hoon. If I'm a man, I'll say main khata hoon. And if I'm a man and I'm with a lot of men, I'll say hum khate hain. We eat. Hum khate hain. Hum ice cream khate hain. Hum khana khate hain. So khana also means food. So we eat food. So that means the ti can be used in the case of feminine singular and plural. Main khati hoon. Hum khate hain. For example, ta can be used in the case of masculine singular. For example, main khata hoon. And the te can be used in the case of masculine plural. Hum khate hain. But remember that the te can also be used for the case of singular masculine, because we are giving respect and we are just, the person is, it is called the formal case. So for example, aap khate hain, aap ice cream khate hain, you eat ice cream. That means that the person we are talking to is older than us or a stranger. So we're using khate. So the khate can be used for the formal as well as the plural masculine. I was teaching an Arabic student of mine and a Persian student, and they told me that it is the same in Persian or Arabic. So if that's the same in Arabic or Persian and you know Arabic and Persian, let me know in the comment down below. So now let's consider this all the conjugations with every one of the pronoun. Main khata hoon, which is used for a male, singular masculine. Now, right now we are starting from the right top corner or top right corner. मैं खाता हूँ, मैं खाती हूँ. तुम खाते हो, तुम खाती हो. आप खाते हैं, आप खाती हैं. So it is the same for feminine. The T is the same for singular as well as plural. Now let's see what is it with he and she. वो खाते हैं, वो खाती हैं. वो खाता है, वो खाती है. So as you can see that if we're giving him respect, we say खाते हैं. It is the informal case, then वो खाता है with the male. And the female, it's the same whether we are using the formal or informal case. Let's see what it's gonna be with the plural cases. हम खाते हैं, हम खाती हैं. तुम खाते हो, तुम खाती हो. आप खाते हैं, आप खाती हैं. वो खाते हैं, वो खाती है. So you can say that with anybody. And one other thing that I want to point out, that this tense can also be sometimes used for the immediate actions, for the immediate future, near future. For example, mall chalte hain. Let's go to the mall. Chalna is to walk or to go. Mall chalte hain. Miami chalte hain. Sometimes we pair it with chalo, let's go. Chalo Miami chalte hain. चलो मॉल चलते हैं. चलो पार्क चलते हैं. चलो रेस्टोरेंट में खाते हैं, which means let's go to the restaurant and eat. So it can be used for the immediate future. Now let's use it with the verbal stem देख. देखना is to see, and we remove the na. The part that is left, verbal stem, is देख. We put the different suffixes and we make the different conjugations. Let's see how we're gonna do it with different pronouns. मैं देखता हूँ. I watch. मैं देखती हूँ. मैं टीवी देखती हूँ. तुम देखते हो. तुम देखती हो. आप देखते हैं. आप देखती हैं. ये देखते हैं. ये देखती हैं. ये देखता है. ये देखती है. And for the masculine plural and feminine plural, हम देखते हैं. हम देखती हैं. तुम देखते हो. तुम देखती हो. आप देखते हैं. आप देखती हैं. ये देखते हैं. ये देखती है. You have noticed probably here that the तुम देखते हो, here we're using the formal version because it's just the colloquial way. It's a bit irregular, but that is how it is. How are you going to make the negative and the interrogative? Let's learn that. So for example, to make it the negative sentence, we just put the negative particle nahi before the whole verb, before the present verb conjugation. So, आप TV नहीं देखती हैं. You don't watch TV. How to make the interrogative sentence? क्या आप टीवी देखती हैं? क्या आप Netflix देखती हैं? So we just put the kya before this whole sentence. Kya in English means what, but it means anything really. Are you, am I, is it, whatever. We put kya before the whole sentence and it will become an interrogative sentence. That is it for the present simple tense or the present habitual tense. I hope that you learned something today. Consider subscribing if you learn anything from this video. It will really motivate me to make more Urdu grammar videos as well as Urdu expressions, phrases and slangs video. And I'll make more videos for elementary, intermediate as well as advanced learners. I hope that you're all well in self-quarantine and self-isolation. And I'm gonna see you later. Goodbye. Thank you.